In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to instant transfer money from Apple Pay Cash to Cash App. We'll walk through moving your Apple Cash to your Cash App by using the bank details that Cash App provides, and I'll share a few quick tips so everything goes smoothly. Start by opening Apple Wallet on your iPhone and tapping your Apple Cash balance. This brings up your Apple Cash card details. In the top right, tap the More or Options icon to see additional actions. From here, choose Transfer to Bank. On the next screen, enter the exact amount you want to send, then tap Next so you can tell Apple Cash where to deliver the money. Now you'll add your Cash App bank details. Switch over to Cash App and tap your balance to open your Money tab. Look for the section labeled Account and Routing Number. Copy the routing number first, then copy the account number. These are the numbers Apple Wallet needs to send money directly into your Cash App bank account. Go back to Apple Wallet and, under Add Bank Account, paste the routing number and the account number in their respective fields. Take a moment to double check every digit. If even one number is off, the transfer can fail or go to the wrong account. With the bank details set, choose your transfer method. Instant transfer typically delivers in minutes and may include a small fee. The 1 to 3 business days option is free and arrives by standard banking timeframes. Pick the option that fits your urgency and cost preference. When you're ready, tap transfer. Confirm the action with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode to authorize it securely. That's it. Your money will now move from Apple Cash into your Cash App bank account. If you chose Instant, watch for the funds to appear shortly. If you selected the free option, allow 1 to 3 business days, keeping in mind that weekends and holidays can extend processing times. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. Make sure both apps are updated to the latest version. Confirm that the name on your Apple Cash matches your Cash App profile to avoid verification hiccups, and be mindful of transfer limits and any applicable fees for instant delivery. If instant transfer isn't available for your account, the standard option still works reliably. Just give it the full processing window. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Apple Pay tips and tutorials.